How to add or remove Pin to Start from the context menu in Windows 11. If you're managing endpoints across an enterprise or configuring kiosk systems, controlling what users can do with the Start menu is key to maintaining a consistent and secure user interface. In this video, we're diving into how to add or remove the Pin to Start option from Windows 11 context menus, a common task for IT professionals looking to lock down or customize user environments. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to manage the Pin to Start option. Before you start, make sure you have administrator privileges and a basic familiarity with the Windows Registry. As always, back up your registry before making any changes. Method 1. Using Registry Editor. First up, the Registry Editor. This is best for testing changes, customizing a single device, or quickly locking down public-facing systems. Open the Registry Editor by pressing Win+R and typing regedit. To remove the Pin to Start option, navigate to the following paths and delete the Pin to Start screen key under each one. As an optional step, you can completely block the entry from File Explorer context menus. Create a string value named. Leave it blank, then restart File Explorer or reboot your system. Method 2. Using .reg files. Next, the .reg file method, which is ideal for mass deployment across systems using group policy, Intune, or provisioning scripts. You'll create two .reg files, one for removal and one for restoration. Here's a quick example for removing the Pin to Start option. To restore the option, use this version instead. Save the file as remove_pin_to_start.reg or restore_pin_to_start.reg. Double-click it, confirm the UAC prompt, and restart File Explorer. You can push these .reg files via GPO login scripts or as part of a system image to enforce consistent configurations across your entire domain. Method 3. Using PowerShell. If you prefer automation or RMM integration, PowerShell offers a clean, scriptable option. This method allows you to programmatically remove or restore the Pin to Start entry using commands that target the same registry paths. To remove it, PowerShell commands delete the relevant registry keys and add the CLS ID under the blocked section. To restore, the script recreates the keys and resets the values accordingly. Since the full command set involves several registry operations, we've summarized the logic here. And that's how to add or remove Pin to Start in Windows 11 using 3 different methods. Use Registry Editor for quick manual edits, .reg files for repeatable or domain-wide changes, and PowerShell scripts for automated or remote deployment. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add or remove Pin to Start from the context menu in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.